Hi everyone, so I got in from work about 3, half 3. It's Saturday the 30th of May. Look at the state of my knees. I've been on my knees all day. And I thought I'd get the bench done. I wasn't going to do a video, but I'll just show you a quick little snippets as I'm going. So happy Saturday. So the garden's a bit of a mess. I've got all the trees on the bedside view of the trees. Got them scattered all over. What I've had to do is stop painting and water all the stuff. There's a Paul Scarlet. It's a shame it doesn't keep its flowers long. It's starting to die off. I'll continue painting with a can and a smoke. So that's all the benches painted, the black. I've got no red gloss. I've got some spray paint. Alright. Please use your protective equipment when using solvents and stuff that makes you high. I'm not using any because I don't mind being lightheaded and fuzzy. My mother always tells a story of when I was about 10 or 11. I had the wood cutters, I come round and down, and I built a ferret hutch out of them. She says it was a four-fronted ferret hutch because I nicked a ferret when I was out camping. I need some red gloss for the rest of it, like. I'm not fucking on with that when I was spraying that. Oh, that was it. I don't know if I've told you this before, but when me and our lass got our first house, it was round the corner, and I was 20, she was 18. So we done the nursery out, and the Teletubbies was the thing at the time. So I drew the Teletubbies on the wall, had knee paint. Went round to see my brother-in-law. All I had was British racing green car paint and everything. So I sprayed all the Teletubbies with British racing car paint, the hills and everything out. Honestly, you couldn't go in the bedroom for 3 weeks. Oh, just hides the kite. So I'm going to get the benches loaded now. I don't know which tray's going where. I'll turn the camera off for this because I want to put the music back on. I don't want to copyright. Ta-da! Capital. You're covered now, man. You over. Nick up. Get away. Get away. Get off. You're covered, man. You look like a Newcastle supporter. Get up. Go on. Look at you, man. You've got black all over. Get off that paint, you little shit. Nick off. Nah, do a little shit. So I've finished painting what I want to paint. I'll give you a look and we'll have a quick look at the trees. Might as well. I've got the suntan, so I'm a bit sore. So there's the cuttings doing well. Some little, don't know what these are in it like, but we'll find out. I've got the T-mount pot propped up because it's all rotten to share the pipe, so I need to make a new base for that. The little first on the go. It's tried and maple, just a normal Japanese maple first. Still got that journey bit to do. So pretty much nearly all the black's done. I just need to get some more red gloss, didn't we, Howard? Tinker. There's that hawthorn I was on about with the small leaves. Let me give it a little quick look. Oh, there's a little ladybird on the yew. That yew's mine and Scott's, that's for sale, that one. I need to do a little bit more work on it first. But everything's grown well. Bloody card now. Let's give it a little quick spin. There he is. Oh, you twat. As you can see, I'm not going to walk on every single tree like this will be how you donkeys. I'll just give it a quick look. Anyone want to buy any beaches? Just need a shot of them, I've got too much shit. Not right, Scout. Ah. Not right, sword. Oh, weird. Shithead. Hey, shithead. So, that's what I've been doing the deer. I've got the pond painted, got the fence painted, bit of the decking painted, over the corner painted, and the other benches. Still got a bit to paint, but that'll do for the deer. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks! Gonna get the fat belly out with 4 green piece.